Third unit, again you have to going to learn the new microcontroller, PIC microcontroller. Okay, so that won't have architecture and all. So please try to attend the class regularly. See, um, these people having 37, register number 37. Huma, 37,
Ma'am.
Jayashree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. You have got a maximum score with the least timing. I have to appreciate you, ma. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Superb, ma. Superb. And register number 83. Shriram, you got. Shriram?
Ma'am.
Yeah, you have answered well.
Yes.
Yeah, very good, Shriram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Then register number 69. Sai Mani Teja. Taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma. You too have got only 2 incorrect. The rest of the things are correct. So very good, ma. And then the rest of the 12, register number 12, um, register Avinash, good. And register number 86, Sundarraj. Register number 15, Bhavana. All are very good, ma. Superb. And then one thing I have to ask the other people this time. Register number 2, Abhirami. Abhirami,
Yes, ma'am.
why? Only one is correct.
Ma'am, நான் வெளில வந்துட்டேன் மேம்.
வெளில வந்துட்டியா?
எஸ் மேம். ப்ளே பண்ண முடியல மேம்.
Okay. Register number 82.
Ma'am,
You two have which problem, Snega?
நானும் வெளில தான் வந்துட்டேன்.
நெட் கனெக்ட் ஆகலையா?
நடுவுல.
ஓகே. முத்தமிழ் செல்வி.
மேம் எனக்கும் அதே ப்ராப்ளம் தான் மேம். ஒவ்வொரு क्वेश्चन ரீலோட் ஆகுது மேம் எனக்கு.
ஓ. சந்திரலேகா? Chandralekha.
Network problem.
All are having same network problem. 39, Jerson. Okay. And Angeline Aishwarya too. So these people have and 60, 58, 7. I think these have not attended. I think so because none of the answer is correct for them. So people, please remember, try to attend the class regularly, ma. Then only you can able to understand because this time very much importance is given only for the online mode. So even classes, everything we are going to conduct in online only. So please attend that and think. Mm. On that day, see people, please see to that the screen who have not attended all the questions correct. I'm just going to discuss the answer. All conditional. I'm so sorry. Can you able to view? Okay. So people try to understand. Weekly we have a 2 quiz default. Okay, one quiz I will try to conduct on I think Thursday first hour I'm having. One quiz I will try to conduct on Tuesday and another quiz on Friday. Tuesday third hour. Okay, sorry. Wednesday and Friday you have always quiz. Are you clear? So Wednesday I'm having second hour, so you have the time. Why after the weekend I don't want to disturb you. So Wednesday and Friday you have the quiz. So people understand that the quiz has to be conducted for you to understand the subject. Okay. See now this is one of our program. Actually, in this unit, we are going to see only the operation addressing modes and instructions and programmings. So today we are going to see some lab program only. It's not only the lab program; it is also needed for the theory. Because when you take this syllabus, have you seen the syllabus? I think at all the syllabus will be there. Okay, actually this will be your syllabus, ma. Addressing modes, instruction set, simple programming that we have discussed. Okay. Input IO programming. Today we are tried to see some input output programming. How we are going to connect through the ports and all we will see. Timer programming, serial communication programs, delay programs and all. First ever Kavita ma'am. எடுக்கல சார் நான் லாஸ்ட்ல தான் ஆக்சுவலா கவிதா மேம் எடுத்துட்டாங்க. Okay, so today we will see some input output programming. So this entire unit is about programs only. Okay, see, listen, this program will be very much important. Okay, now what is the program we are going to do, ma? Interfacing a DC motor with 8051. You just see the same program. If you write in microprocessor, it will a lengthy program, but here you see it's very simple program. Okay, so before entering into the program, I will show the architecture. Can you able to see, ma? Can you able to see this? Okay, see, listen. Yeah, see, actually this is my DC motor. I think have you seen? This is my DC motor. This is my microcontroller, and this is my driver circuit for the DC motor. Okay, and these are all the resistors. Okay, and this is switch. What is the program we are going to do now? By opening the switch, my motor will rotate in clockwise direction. By closing the switch, my motor will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. This is my aim of the program. People, please kindly listen, because this is not only for the lab. This is also I have, that's why I have shown you the syllabus. Tomorrow, if possible, I will try to explain directly in the software. So the main two softwares are there, Kale and Proteus. So tomorrow I will use the software and I will show you. Now I'm just going to explain the programming and how it is connecting. Okay, so you just see these are the resistors, and this is power supply. Have you seen? This is my power supply. Okay, and this is DC motor, this is switch. What is the main our programmer? By opening the switch, the motor will rotate in clockwise. By closing the switch, my motor has to rotate in anti-clockwise. And this is my power supply, 5-volt power supply, and this all ground. You all know the microcontroller having a supply of 5-volt, and it should be ground connected to the ground. You may ask, ma'am, here we didn't connected any external oscillator. Whenever external oscillator is needed, at that time only it is mandatory to connect. Otherwise, external oscillator is not needed. Can you understand or not? Okay, now here we have 3 pins we have taken. Here we have taken, have you seen? Port 1.0, port 1.1, port 1.2, that I have connected. See, by seeing port 1.0 is connected to where it is connected. Have you seen? Port 1.0 is connected with enable pin. Port 1.1 and 1.2 connected with input 1 and input 2. Are you clear? So this is my motor driver circuit. I can connect 2 motors at a time. So input 1, enable 1 pin, port 1.0 is connected. Input 1 and input 2 connected with port 1.1 and 1.2. Okay. So these are my output pins. Out 1 and out 2. So out 1 and out 2 is connected with which motor. Okay. And port 2.7 I have connected the switch. You may ask, ma'am, it is mandatory to connect whether all these pins? No mandatory thing. Can you understand? Any pin I can connect, but while I am writing in the program, I have to clearly map which pin I have connected. Okay. So here you see this one. I have used port 1.0, port 1.1, port 1.2. Okay. The 3 thing I have connected with the 3 thing I have connected with the motor driver circuit, and output pins. It's not we didn't connect it through microcontroller. I have connected the DC motor, and port 2.7 I have connected, and this and all the resistor circuit. Okay, why means now to energize this we are using. Okay, why we are using resistor now? To always limit the current. For that purpose only we will use. We all know this having a very less current, so to that we will use always kilo ohm resistance to get the milliamps current. Okay. Now You just see, this is the program. People, please listen that, then only you can understand. Once again. Actually, I decided to take the pin. It's not coming. Once again, wait, I will take it. So listen, ma. Port 1.0, ORG00, starting of the port. CLR means what, ma'am? What is CLR?
Clear, ma'am.
Very good, clear. Okay, tell me, port
Clear,
1.0, yeah. Port 1.0, where I have connected, ma? Port 1.0, where I have connected in this? Through enable pin, I have connected. Am I correct? Port 1.0 is connected with enable pin. Okay. Port 1.1 is connected with what, ma? Input 1 pin. Port 1.2 is connected with what, ma? Input 2. Okay. And port 2.7 is connected with what, ma? Switch. Are you clear? So this is the thing. So I think so you have to know. So port 1.0 is connected with what, ma? Enable pin. Port 1.1 is connected with input 1. Port 1.2 is connected with input 2. Port 2.7 is connected with switch. These are the very, very important one. Okay. So you have to understand that. Okay. Then now, okay. Now what we did, ma? CLR, clear, clear. What is set B, ma? What is set B? Set B means what? This I connected with switch. Set B means what, ma?
Set the bit, ma'am.
Set the bit. Okay. Now I told you, whenever my switch is open, my motor should rotate in clockwise direction. While we are discussing about clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, what I have to do, first I have to enable. Port 1.0 was connected with what, ma? Enable pin. Is clear? Okay. This clear set means my motor will rotate in one direction. Set and clear means my motor will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. You just see. Set. Now what I have said, I have enabled the switch port. Now I have enabled the enable pin of the driver circuit. Now JNP. What is JNP, ma'am? What is JNP? Anyone tell?
Jump on no zero, ma'am.
Very good. Jump on no bit. Jump on no bit means if the bit is not set. Okay, that means if bit value is 0, I have to go to which mark? Clockwise. Jump on no bit P2.7 comma clockwise. Clockwise is nothing but your label. Okay, so clockwise is label na. Where it is coming automatically, my program is coming here. Are you clear? In this, what I have written? Set clear. Set means what? Set B means one is connected with positive pin and another one is connected with negative pin. Are you clear? One is connected with positive pin and another. So now what happened? The motor begins to rotate. Okay. Now I am closing the switch. What switch I am closing? I am closing this switch. Okay. While I am closing the switch, what happened? Now what happened?
Anti-clockwise.
How it is? Now what is the port 2.7 value, ma? If I close the switch, it is connected to which pin? It is connected to where? My switch is connected to where? If I am closing the switch, what happened? If I close
Ground.
this, very good. It will connect it to the ground. So automatically port 2.7 will become 0. So port 2.7 will become 0. Now this condition become failure. So this condition become failure. Now this will automatically come here. So what happened? Clear port 1.2. This should be connected with the negative pin, and this should be connected with the positive pin. So clear port 1.1, set B port. So automatically motor will rotate in which direction, ma? Anti-clockwise direction. Are you clear? Can you understand or not? So what we are using, can you understand the logic of the program? This you can't able to remember always. Okay, yes jump monitor means short jump monitor. Once again my program has to come to the main program. Okay, yes jump monitor in sense means that is the thing. Okay, so short jump, it has to, short jump means what? I have to check only 256 location. Okay, that is 00 to ff location only, it will check always. So automatically my program will come. So what is the logic of the program we have written, ma? First we clear all the switches, all the I think so port 1.0 enable pin, port 1.1 and 1.2 is we connected with that. So first what we did, we clear all the ports. Okay, whatever the value previously there, we are clearing all the port, and then we are setting port 2.7. That means port 2.7 is 1. So I have, every time I have to check this one. So whenever this port 2.7 is 1, this is port 1.1 is should be connected with positive pin, and this should be connected with negative pin. So automatically my motor will rotate in clockwise direction. When I'm closing the switch, when I'm closing the switch, my port 2.7 will connected to ground. So automatically what happened? I have to reverse the direction. So I want reverse the direction. First it is set clear. Next it will be clear set. So automatically motor will rotate. So only the logic is, we didn't write any other instruction here. Only we written CLR, set B, JNB. So you tell me the entire program, when I take that, the entire, this is the program, we have used only Boolean instructions. Have you seen? All instructions are Boolean instructions. Because even JNB also, when you take, it's also Boolean instruction. Only SJump is branch instruction, but the remaining all are Boolean instruction. So we have even clear to clear the value. Set to set the pin of the port. And JNB is jump on no bit. Every time we are checking. Can you understand the program, ma? Harshavardhan? Harshavardhan. Are you there, man? Harshavardhan. He wants to drink water. Afridi. I don't know why. No one is speaking, ma. Afridi. Afridi.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you listening the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you understand the program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think people understand that while you are coming to the program. I don't know how much time it will be there. It's not only for the lab program. Theory also, they ask you to write the program. It is very simple to write. Are you clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Harshavardhan.
Ma'am,
A long delay. Why? Where you went?
drink water, ma'am.
Always one thing I gave advice. Take bottle of water, keep nearby you. Every time you want, you drink it, and then you answer my question. Don't move here and there. People, please listen, ma. We are taking the class for your purpose only. Okay, you have to understand, because online mode it is very difficult to listen. That's why we didn't conduct it as usual class. Usual class, you all know, we all work from 8 to 3. That we don't want to put you on a stress. So why we 8:30 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10:30, then we gave half an hour break for you. Okay, so 11 to 12, 12 to 1 is that. So people, please listen the class well. Okay, now you understand this. Have you seen this diagram? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you see this. This I am going to connect stepper motor. What is the difference between normal motor and a stepper motor, ma? DC motor and
Step by
stepper
step
motor.
rotation.
Yeah, it will always rotate in step by steps. So it's not like give you a continuous rotation. So you understand, previous case we didn't write any delay program. There is only one main program. The rotation of the motor is controlled by means of switch. But here what we are going to do, we are going to rotate the motor in steps. So to rotate the motor in steps, we have a two programs. One is main program. Okay, one is main program. Actually, you have seen this. One is main program. Can you able to see? This is main program. Till this will be main program, and then after that will be the delay program. Are you clear? So this is main program. This is to a delay program. So to call main to delay, which instruction is used, ma? To call from main program to delay program, which instruction is used?
Call.
Call. Very good. That is, we are using which call, ma? A call. I asked what are the types of call instruction? A call and long call. So A call means absolute call. Absolute call means it will cover only 2 kilobytes of the memory. So it will call from A call, that will call the delay program. And from delay to main program, which instruction is used?
Return.
Very good. Return, RET. In return also we have two types. Return, interrupt. Return interrupt means I have to write the interrupt. Are you clear? So RETI. So A call, return. Can you understand how it will be used? Okay. Now we will see what is the logic on the program. Actually, very simple logic on that. Okay. Actually, you have seen this. This is a ULN 2003. This is nothing but a driver circuit for the stepper motor. So here I have connected port 1.0, 1.1. Have you seen port 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3? 4 ports I have used. Okay, and that I have given to the ULN 2003. What problem? Yeah, listen, ma. Then that is given to that. Then output should be connected to the stepper motor. Okay, this is the driver which is mainly exclusive used for the stepper motor. Stepper motor, in stepper motor you have studied how will you switch on the stepper motor. What are the types of stepping scheme used employed in stepper motor, ma? What are the types? Did you remember anyone? You have studied in special electrical machines. Did you remember anyone? What are the stepping schemes? Anyone?
Half mode, full mode.
Yeah, half mode, full mode, one phase on scheme, two phase on scheme, alternative phase on scheme, micro stepping. There are so many methods are there. Very good, ma. So here we all know that are the coils A dash, B dash and all. So I think you people try to look up only A dash, B dash, this alone. Okay, actually what we are going to do, we are going to energize this particular motor is going to work on two phase on scheme. That means what, ma? Only two phase will be on at a time. You just see. Have you seen? 1 here, which, ma? A dash and B is on. And here see A dash and B is on. After that I have to rotate my 1. So here you see A dash. So you can see at a time only two phase are on. On means what? That particular value is loaded with 1. Okay. So this particular thing is we are going to use, ma, which instruction we will use to shift the 1, rotate the 1? Which instruction we will use to rotate the 1, ma? I'm asking rotate. Which instruction we will use to move one bit to another bit? Here you see 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So if I give rotate, right, automatically what happen? the 1 will be shifted. You understand that. First you understand that this particular motor is working on two-phase on scheme. So at a time, two phases are on. So at a time, 1 will be there. Okay, have you seen? Okay, now we will go to the program. Okay, so first we are going to start the program. Now next what I am going to do, move a comma hash hash. Okay, move a comma 66. 66 now what is the value, ma? Tell me anyone. 66 now what is the value? 66 what is the value, ma? Shalini. 66 now how will you write? Shalini. How will you write 66, ma? How will you write 66? Shalini, how will you write in binary? How will you write 66, ma? You don't know? Huh? It's very difficult answer. Swati? Swati.
Ma'am,
Tell me 66, how will you write in?
0 1 1 0
Very
0
good.
1 1 0
Very good, ma. Very good, ma. 0 1
double 1 0
0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. So what is this value, ma? 66. Okay. Now what I am doing next, I am moving my accumulator to where, ma? Accumulator to where I am moving?
Port 1, ma'am.
Very good. I am moving to port 1 because here which I have connected here? Port 1.0, port 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 only I connected. So I am moving to which port? Port 1. Okay. RRA. RRA means what, ma?
rotate right
Right.
rotate.
Very good, ma. So my D7th bit should move to D6. D6 should move to D5. D5 should move to D4. Similarly, D0 should move to D7. So after shift, tell me the value 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So what is my value, ma, after this? Now 66 will become what, ma?
33, ma'am.
33. Very good. Okay. Now once again you give the rotation. Then A call delay. Delay means what? Automatically it will come to delay. I told you delay is nothing but to create a time delay in the program. What I have did, move R3 comma hash 100. So you may ask, ma'am, it will be 8-bit value. It will take it as a, if I put H only hexadecimal value, or else it will take as a decimal value only. So move R3 comma hash 100, move R2 comma hash 100. Okay. DJNZ. What is DJNZ, ma?
Decrement jump no 0.
Very good, very good. Decrement jump on no 0. So decrement R2 register I have to. So how many times this loop will be executed, ma? Tell me. How many time it will be executed? 100 into 100. Because what? Inner loop.
10,000.
Yeah. The value will be what, ma? 10,000. Okay, very good. This loop will be keep on executed for 10,000 times. Okay, now you leave it. Once again, return. Return means what? Once again, my program will comes here. Okay. Again, RRA. RRA means what? Return means it will come to S jump back. Back means once again you rotate, ma. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So what is my value, ma? What is my value?
99.
99. Okay. Once again you rotate. So once again you rotate, na, rotate right. What will be the value? 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. And 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So what is the value? 1, 1, 0, 0 now. What is the value?
CC.
Very good. 66, 33, 99 cc. Once again I rotate, what will be my value, ma? Once again if I rotate, what happen? My value 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So what is the value I'll get?
6, ma'am.
66, same, the loop will be continued. So you can understand, I'll get 66 33 99 cc. That means every time my two phase will be on. At a time my two phase will be on, it will be keep on rotating. This is the logic. Okay, now what happened, my stepper motor will be rotate in a steps. Okay, now if I want to rotate my motor in anti-clockwise direction, what is the change in instruction? Can anyone tell? Now I want to change the direction of the motor. Rotation. I want to change the rotation of the motor. Direction of the rotation of the motor. What is the
Rotate
change?
left, ma'am.
Rotate left, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good, ma. Instead of RRA, what I have to put? RLLA. So while doing the lab program, if they ask rotate the, this is for clockwise direction only. Okay, if I want to do anti-clockwise direction, I have to put what, ma? RLA. Are you clear? So this is the next instruction which is showing that 66 33 99 cc. So if I rotate, what happened? It will goes like this. Okay, it will anti-clockwise, it will goes. So after 66, what you will get? cc you will get, and after cc you will get 99. After 99 you get 33, and so automatically what happened, ma? The motor will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Have you understand both the programs, ma? Have you all understand? So the first program we have seen with the rotation of the DC motor, and the next program we have seen with the stepper motor rotation. Okay, this is the next program, interfacing LED and switch with 8089. Actually, you see, today we don't have a time to discuss about the delay program, timer delay. Actually, here we are creating timer delay. We see that first we will see how my LED and switch is connected. Okay, this is my delay program and this is my main program. Okay, so there is a main program is there as well as delay program is there. So here, which port I have used to connect the LED, ma? Which port I have connected? Port 1.3. Have you seen? Which port I have connected the switch? Port 2.2. What is the logic of the program now? Whenever my switch is open, my LED is off. Okay. Whenever I close the switch, my LED will on. So the two conditions we will get. So port 1.3 for LED. I have used port 1.3 for LED and port 2.2 for switch. Okay, anything you can use, ma, but whatever I port, actually I can use port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Now 4 port I can use, because we all know all the port will serve both the purposes. Whether port only the one port which have a only single function, the remaining 3 ports we have alternative functions. So you have to understand that any port I can connect it anywhere. Okay, now so port 1.3 I have connected the LED. Okay, so port 2.2 I connected what, ma? Switch. Okay, so you have to understand only this two. So even in the program itself you can write any value. Okay, now move port. I am connecting, I am changing port 1 to FF. FF means what, ma? 1 1 1 1 1 1. So automatically my value will become FF. Are you clear, ma? My value will become FF. Okay. Then CLR P13. Then port 1.3 value become what, ma? After giving CLR port 1.3, port 1.3 will become 0. Have you seen this? What is the next instruction? CLR. Okay. JB. JB means what, ma? What is JB? What is JB, ma? Students, anyone tell what is JB instruction? JB.
Jump a bit.
Jump on bit. Jump on bit means what? When port 2.2 is 1. Am I correct or not? Jump on no bit now. Port 2.2 is 0. Are you clear? So JB. JB means what? Jump on bit port 2.2. When port 2.2 is 1. Okay. 1 means port 2.2 is already, we have moved port 2 to 1 only. So this is my D0 bit and this is my D1 bit and this is only my D2 bit. So my D2 bit is 1 only. So D2 bit is 1. When my D2 bit will become 0, ma? Whenever it will connect, whenever the switch is closed only, it will connect to where, ma? Ground. Whenever it will connected to ground only, port 2.2 is 0. That means switch is closed, means my LED should on. When my port will 1, whenever my switch is open, when switch is open, my port 2.2 is 1 only. So now my port 2.0 is 1 because it is not connected to the ground. It is not, the switch is not closed. So back 1. Back 1 means what? Clear port 1.3. That means the LED should off. Can you understand or not? We understand this not logic or not? Okay. A call delay. A call delay means what ma? It is a delay program. Why we are giving delay program now? To toggle between on and off, it has at some time being needed. Some time is needed. So for that only we give the delay program. Okay. Then yes, jump back. Back means what? Once again, main program. Once again, if I am closing the switch, closing the switch means what? Port 2.2 is 0. Closing the switch means what ma? Port 2.2 is 0. So port 2.2 0 na, I'm checking this condition. JB port 2.2 back 1. Jump. If port 2.2 0 means this condition is fail. This condition is fail, now it will come to the next line. What is the next line I gave you? Set BP 1.3. Set BP 1.3 means what? Port 1.3 should become 1. Okay, so port 1.3 is 1 means automatically what happened? That value, the LED will glow. Have you understand or not? This is the logic of the program. I think I have done so much of scribbling. So very simple logic on this. So you understand the logic. What is the logic we have written now? What is the logic now? Whenever port 2.2 is 1, the LED is off. Okay, that means switch is open. Okay, that is the condition. Switch open. When switch is closed means what ma? Port 2.2 is 0. Very good. Port 2.2 is 0. So port 2.2 is 0 now. LED should on. That is the logic of the program I have written. Okay, this is the logic. Very simple logic. Port 2.2 is 1 means this should be clear. Okay, port 2.2 is closed means LED should on. So we have put set B instruction. That's why this is the logic. So this is to So this is this two instruction. So this this is the instruction. Main instruction will check the status of the switch. So whenever the switch is open, that is open means the value is 1. So it will switch off the LED, clear the LED. At the same time, when switch is closed now, automatically it will set the LED. So these 3 lines are very important line to on and off the LED. So A call delay means automatically it will come to the delay program. Return means once again it will come back to the main program. That is the main thing. Are you clear, ma? Okay. Now this is the small delay program. They used which delay na? Timer delay. So far we have used only registers, but this time we are going to use the timer delay. Okay. I think while we are discussing about the timer delay, I told you that we will discuss in the next class. Did you remember? There are 4 modes of timers are there. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This will load the 13-bit timer. This will load the 16-bit timer. 13-bit timer means what, ma? What is the maximum value it will take? 13-bit na, it will take from 0, 0 to 1 FF. Mode 1 means it's a 16-bit timer. So it will take 0, 0. So 13-bit timer na 1 FF. 16-bit timer na FFF. 8-bit auto reload. 8-bit auto reload na, actually what happened na, this is mainly used for serial communication only. We won't use it here. Okay. Actually one bit is one register is loaded with 8 bit. Now automatically it will reload with the other register. Okay, that is split mode. Now the timer will be TH and DL will be divided separately, and one TL will load FF. Now next TH will load another FF. So this is the thing. This is 4 modes of operation. 13-bit timer. So we used mode 1 operation. We used mode 1 operation for this time delay program. Are you clear, ma'am? Okay. So people kindly listen to understand the lab program only. Have you understand, ma'am? Till this you have understand. Okay. So, okay. Okay. People kindly give your attendance. I think I didn't know that. Register number 1, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
2,
எனக்கு அட்ரஸ் எடுத்துறாங்கடா
3,
நரேந்து பாத்துட்டு வரேன்
3,
எஸ் மேம்
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
எஸ் மேம்
6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
பெரியன் மேம்
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
எஸ் மேம்
10,
அங்க இருக்கு மேம்
10. Ansuri Subramanian. He won't come now. 11.
மாறி போச்சு ரெண்டுமே
Raja Manikam, put your mic in mute, ma. 10. 11.
Present, ma'am.
12.
Yes, ma'am.
13.
Yes, ma'am.
14.
எஸ் மேம்
15.
Present, ma'am.
16.
Present, ma'am.
17.
பிரசன்ட் மேம்
18. 18.
Present, ma'am.
19. Register number 19. Present. 20.
Yes, ma'am.
21.
Yes, ma'am.
22.
Yes, ma'am.
23.
எஸ் மேம்
24. 24. 24 is absent. Okay, 25. 25. 24 present. Arun Ra, where he went. 26.
Yes, ma'am.
27.
Yes, ma'am.
28.
எஸ் மேம்
29.
Yes, ma'am.
30. Actually, I can see. Wait, ma. 30 is not present. 30. I will read out the numbers, ma. You need not to waste the time. 31 present, 32 present, 33, 34, 35,
Ma'am,
36.
30% ma'am.
30 present. Okay.
Ma'am,
30.
network
Ma'am,
issue.
10% ma'am.
I've been
Body.
disconnected.
36. Jagan present. 36 Jagan.
Present, ma'am.
37, 38,
Present, ma'am.
39. Yeah, 37 present.
34
38.
present, ma'am.
34 present only, man. I will mark.
Ma'am,
39, 40.
10 ma'am.
10 Ansuri, where you went, Ansuri? Daily you are doing
Ma'am,
changing.
network problem, ma'am.
Network problem. So I will recharge for you. 40, 41, 42.
Ma'am, 24,
43,
ma'am.
40. Yeah, present, man. I'm just tell the absent is only. 50 is present. 50 is no more in your class. 50 absent. 52. 52. I don't know. Today I don't have a register. Okay. 54, 55, 56, all are present. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. 61 is not present. 61 is not present. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67 is not present. 67 is not present. Okay, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79. 79 is not there or no number. 79. Okay, 80, 81, 82, 83, 80, 84. 84 is no. No, 84. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Santosh Reddy, attend the class regularly. Okay. 90,
Okay,
91,
ma'am.
92, 93, 94, 701, 702, 7. Izad Agamat. Izad is absent. 951 and 952 are absent. Okay. So please, how many of you uploaded the assignment, ma? Please raise the hand here. Raise your hands. How many of you uploaded the assignments, ma? Varsha uploaded and Varsha uploaded, Anurag uploaded, Aruna Devi uploaded, Any other? You have faced any problem, ma? Aruna Devi? Is there any problem on uploading Aruna Devi? Please.
No, ma'am.
No, you have uploaded it.
Yes, ma'am.
You uploaded in PDF or Word?
PDF, ma'am.
PDF. So students, I'm saying today is the 7th. Today and tomorrow the network will be very issue for you, because first second year and third year 7th is the last date for second year, and for third year 8th. So you people find the time, kindly upload it, because it is very important for your one of the student asked the question. She asked the doubt in the question for 5-mark question. Kindly write the futures and the architecture of 8085. That is enough. Actually, the question is like that. You know the answer, but the question is not knowing for you people.